سعيدا كن فريدا.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Yakin Skandar. I'm a clinical psychologist and a research scholar based in Istanbul, Turkey. It was really wonderful to attend the program about calm and anxiety organized by the Guided Hearts Institute. It was a variety of speakers. We had a clinical psychologist, a psychiatrist, and even an imam, and we talked about this concept in details. So it was holistic, wonderful, and I think everybody, including me as a professional, really enjoyed it. So I really recommend everybody else to join as well, in case it happens anywhere around you.
Assalamu alaikum. This is Shuaib al-Subehi. I am an Islamic teacher and I'm attending the Guided Heart event, and it was amazing, and we have learned about the anxiety and how to overcome it, and the speakers were lovely and great. That I'm so glad and so happy that I attend this event. I'm looking forward to see and to attend more events and more programs like that, and alhamdulillah that I attended this program. Thank you so much.
The only word that I have in my mind is alhamdulillah that I actually clicked on the link and I signed up for this event, because it gave me a new sense of understanding myself and how anxiety is affecting my life day to day. So alhamdulillah.
I am very happy to know about this Guided Hearts Institute. This institute is really working for the benefit of Ummah, because all these emotional disorders like anxiety, like fear and anger are problems to Ummah, to family life. Inshallah, with the help of this institution, we will have a healthy and stronger Ummah, and inshallah, we will also prepare ourselves to enter the paradise with peace of heart, inshallah. Thank you.
بهذا العصر من أعلامه كن بهذا العصر من أعلامه كن سعيدا كن فريدا عش بفخر في الحياة لا تبالي فالمعالي بالتحدي لا سواه كن سعيدا كن فريدا عش بفخر في الحياة لا تبالي فالمعالي بالتحدي لا سواه بالتحدي لا سواه إنما المشتاق للمجد التليد لن تراه مستكينا كالعبيد إنما المشتاق للمجد التليد